Hello, my name is Trevor Snyder, and I help people with pre-foreclosure. And please, before you turn it off, please just watch this short video. It explains what we do and how we help. The reason I go this route is because I've been in your situation. It feels like the weight of the world. That first notice, it's designed not to scare you as much. You get that you missed your first payment. They send you a notice. It's not all that scary. It's not threatening at all. And the reason why is because they don't want you to respond. If you don't respond to that first letter, you get fast tracked to foreclosure. And here's the psychology of the situation. We almost all go through this, and say the foreclosure lasts 9 months. If you're lucky enough to have it last 9 months, the first 3 months are going to be spent, you're fighting. You get that first notice, you're like, I can handle this. You get the second notice, you're like, it's getting a little hot in here, but I think I can handle it. You get into the third notice and whatnot, and you see all that money, you start becoming in denial. And then you spend the next 4 months, 3 months in denial. Okay, so now you're at month 6, month 7th, you only have 2 months left, and all of a sudden fight or flight comes back in. You're like, I'm going to lose this, I may as well go. So you call me at that point. At that point, you finally reach out to me, and I can help you, but only a fraction of the amount that I could have helped you 5, 6, 7 months ago. I implore you, if it's not me that's helping you, find somebody, a real pre-foreclosure defender to help you. Otherwise, you're going to go through that same psychological process that we all go through, and it's not going to benefit you. Initially, it's going to be scary, and I don't expect you to trust me. But I want you to listen. I want you to give me an opportunity. My partners and I, we have a full team. The first thing we need to do is diagnose your situation. Everybody has different amounts of equity in their house. Everybody has different terms for the loan. Everybody has different liens on the house. They have different things going on, different amounts. And we need to diagnose your situation. We also have a team of lawyers. We have 7 lawyers that we work with, and these are people that have been through the ringer, been past the date of auction, that have secured houses for their clients. Most lawyers, they just get to the end of the process so they can get paid. They don't care the outcome. Do you have a lawyer that cares about the outcome? We do. We really just need to diagnose your situation. Most people, including myself when I was in this position, just wanted to start over. You're just like, please, can I just start over? I just want to be ground zero. I just don't want any more of this. The stress builds up, and it feels like the weight of the world on you. And you don't know who to trust. Everybody's trying to reach into your pockets. Everybody's trying to get theirs, and they're taking advantage of your poor situation. That is not right. The good news, there's light at the end of the tunnel. There is light at the end of the tunnel, and I can help you. I need you to call this number, and we will just evaluate where you are and help you where we can. It all starts with a phone call.